Hello, this is Mark Miklos, and I live right here in East Brunswick, New Jersey. I'm a singer-songwriter of traditional country and bluegrass music. I Saw You From Heaven is a song that just came to me late night, sitting in the cabin in the Pocono Mountains. And as I looked out the cabin window, I could see the moonlight shining on the trees out in the distance. And out of nowhere, the words and music came all at once. Don't know where it came from or why it came to me, but it did, and that's what I captured that night. I Saw You From Heaven.
Well, I saw you standing, you were all alone, and I was a man just flesh and bone. I watched you cry, dear, tears fell on your heart. Well, I never dreamed that we'd be apart. You look in the mirror and you'd cry alone. You thought I was gone with marble and stone. I never knew how much you loved me, never thought you'd be alone. It's gonna be a while, dear, I can't come home. I saw you from heaven, saw you from afar. When you walk in the moonlight, that's me and the stars. That's me and the stars, dear. That's me from afar. Even though I can't be, still here you are. You live your life alone now, and you live it in sorrow, not knowing today there's no tomorrow. So just find your heart, dear, and find a new love. For I'm not alone here, I'm here with the dove. I saw you from heaven, saw you from afar. When you walk in the moonlight, that's me and the stars. That's me and the stars, dear. That's me from afar. Even though I can't be, still here